focus to a tragedy that has hit the national capital, the stampede at railway station in New Delhi that has led to 18 lives being lost, including 5 minors. Let's tell you what we know about the horror so far. It happened between platform number 12 and 16 as crowds began to swell. Panic increased, leading to a complete chaos. Now, here is where the confusion starts. Exactly what is the reason that led to sudden crowd surge? Multiple versions of this explanation are now emerging. Some eyewitnesses say that the platform of one of the trains was changed at the last minute. CPRO Northern Railway has, however, denied that there was any such last-minute announcement of a change of platform. Others say that there were people who fell off the stairs, hitting others in the process, eventually leading to chaos and stampede. Delhi Police's version is that there was confusion over 2 trains with similar names. But before we talk more about that, here is a ground report.
This is the place where that unfortunate incident took place, because what we had been told by the eyewitness that people were waiting at platform number 14 so that they can board a train for Prayagraj. All of a sudden, there was an announcement. Announcement was that they were directed to move towards platform number 16, because of which there was a sudden surge of rush and people started rushing towards this side. And still you can see the telltale signs are still here. And this narrates the whole story. What really must have happened last time, you can see the bottles are lying there. Then you can see some items, the eatables also lying here. And this is the place when, because of sudden surge, there was a frantic scramble. And because of that frantic scramble, the people started tumbling over each other. And because of suffocation, many people lost their lives. And those who were injured were evacuated to hospital. This is the staircase. Though the staircase that is leading towards platform number 14, right now it has been cleared. But yesterday there was a different situation here. People were lying over each other. Some of them died because of suffocation. Last night at about 9:30, when all of a sudden they were directed to move towards other platform, and because of which there was a sudden surge, and because of which people started moving towards this side, and some people stumbled over each other, and because of suffocation they lost their life. And here there was a complete chaos, there was a complete panic. This was a place where actually the people were waiting to board a train. Right now the certain measures have been taken. You can see the rope has been tied because they are trying to manage crowd properly.
So what are the 2 conflicting and contradictory versions that we are talking about? Listen in.
जो बेसिकली एक टाइम पे ट्रेन्स का डिले, कुछ तो ट्रेन्स डिले हो गई थी और उसके अलावा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा टिकट्स थी जो कि लोगों ने उस टाइम पे परचेज करी थी प्रयागराज के लिए, जहाँ और स्टेशंस के लिए। वो सारा क्राउड इन कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे ज्यादा इकट्ठा हो गया, उसमें थोड़ी भगदड़।
क्या क्राउड का अंदाजा नहीं लगा पाए सर? आप लोग क्राउड का अंदाजा नहीं लगा पाए थे?
क्राउड का अंदाजा हम लोगों ने लगाया था, और सिचुएशन में बता रहा हूँ, जो पूरा टाइम फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द टाइम जिसमें 10 मिनट में हुआ, उसमें ज्यादा लोगों का आना, उसके अलावा 2 ट्रेन का डिले।
एक खबर ये भी आ रही है कि एंड मोमेंट पे अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी कि प्लेटफॉर्म पे ट्रेन का नंबर चेंज हो रहा है, प्लेटफॉर्म चेंज हुआ है, इस वजह से ऊपर ब्रिज पे भगदड़ हुई है। इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं फिर से बताना चाहूँगा, ना कोई ट्रेन कैंसिल की गई थी और ना ही किसी ट्रेन का प्लेटफॉर्म बदला गया था। बल्कि मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस दौरान हम लोगों ने 5 से 6 कुंभ मेला स्पेशल ट्रेन चलाई, ट्रेन ऑन डिमांड। तो बड़ी सीधी सी बात है, कैंसिल करने की बात तो दूर की बात है, हमने तो 5-6 एक्स्ट्रा ट्रेन चलाई, ये था। और दूसरा मैं आपसे बताना चाहूँ, स्थिति रात भर नियंत्रण में थी, नॉर्मल थी। सभी ट्रेन अपने शेड्यूल टाइम पर चली, स्पेशल ट्रेन चलाई हमने। अभी भी स्थिति पूरी तरह नियंत्रण में है, पूरी तरह नॉर्मल है।
So let's try and establish the sequence of event, the chronology on the basis of whatever we know prima facie in this case. So the stampede took place between platform number 12 and platform number 16. What some people are saying is that at least 3 trains that were headed to Prayagraj were delayed. Remember, today being a Sunday, there was an increase in the number of passengers who wanted to take a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. Now, due to this delay, the crowds that had gathered that would have ideally departed in those trains that would have come on time if they did so, started gathering on the platforms, which led to overcrowding on the platforms. Now, After this, what happened is not known as of now. Definitively, there are different versions emerging based on the eyewitnesses and the officials. Some eyewitnesses say that at the last minute, the platform number of one of the trains was changed, which is what led to a sudden rush of passengers towards the new platform that was announced, leading to chaos. CPRO of Northern Railways has, however, denied that any such announcement was made at the last minute. He also said that while there were people who were climbing onto the stairs, if you've been to the New Delhi railway station, you would know that there are staircases that take you to different platforms. He says that one of the people fell. The cascading effect was that other people were also hit, eventually leading to the loss of 18 lives. Delhi police, however, has a different version of this sequence of events. They say that there were two trains with similar initials. One was Prayagraj Express, one was Prayagraj Special. Their names were announced and people could have confused between whose name was being announced, leading to the tragedy. Finally, the number as it stands right now is 18 people losing their lives, including 14 women and 2 children. This is the detail that we could piece together so far. An investigating panel has now been formed with 2 very senior officers from the railways taking stock of situation on the ground, gathering CCTV footage to piece together definitively what could have led to that stampede. But whether they find the real reason or not, there are lives that have been lost, just like of this little young girl whose father we spoke to. She lost her life in front of her father, who was absolutely helpless, could do nothing about it.
परिवार हमारे साथ मौजूद है जिन्होंने अपनी 7 साल की बेटी को खो दिया है और ये बहुत ही दुखद है। बात करना भी बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन हम जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या हुआ था। सर, क्या स्थिति थी वहाँ पर?
मैम, वहाँ ट्रेन से उतरे, उनका हम घर जा रहे हैं तो ऊपर सीढ़ी चढ़े तो लोग ऊपर से बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे थे। अच्छा। इधर से कम थे लोग, एक के ऊपर एक गिर, मतलब ऊपर आ गए। ऊपर से बैग भी फेंक रहे थे, अटैची फेंक रहे थे लड़के। उसमें इतने लोग दब गए, नाकों से खून निकल रहा था। मेरी बेटी ना वो लोहे का वो था ना, उसमें घुस गई और उसके माथे पे पूरा वो हो गया, पूरा लाल पड़ा। छोटी थी जब गोदी में। कल हम पार्टी में घूम के आए थे, आज हम उसको उसमें लेके जा रहे हैं।
बहुत मुश्किल घड़ी है, बात करना बहुत मुश्किल है, मैं समझती हूँ, लेकिन सर बता सकते हैं क्या वहाँ पर स्टेशन पे कोई हेल्प करने के लिए था?
नहीं मैम, हम ऑटो से आए, ऑटो से। कोई
अस्पताल आप लेके आए?
ऑटो से।
आप एम्बुलेंस नहीं आई थी?
नहीं आई थी मैम, हम खुद ऑटो से आ रहे। वहाँ जो सामान धोते ना कुली, उन्होंने पैसा में दिया, मेरे जेब से पैसे भी, मोबाइल भी निकाल लिए।
चोरी कर लिए किसी?
हाँ, और उन्होंने पैसे दिए, उन्होंने 300 रुपये 400 रुपये, तो हम लेके आए अपनी बेटी को यहाँ पे ऑटो से। कोई
It is in times of these tragedies that finally you see what humanity can or cannot do. You heard him saying that crowd was left helpless, and in a situation like this, it were the coolies on the platform that were helping people out. Here is my colleague Priyank speaking to those coolies.
While officials were running to take responsibility of the stampede, statesmen were changing from the Indian Railways. There were few people who were standing very firm with the victims of this tragedy. I'm joined by 2 of the colleagues who are here at this location, whose name are Jitesh. Both of them share the same name. They gave their hard-earned money to one of the victims' family so that the child can be taken to the hospital because it was total chaotic situation. Jitesh ji, आप दोनों समय यहाँ पे थे, क्या माहौल था? भीड़ बहुत थी, और वो जो बच्ची का बाप आया तो उसमें आपको क्या महसूस हुआ?
उस पर हमको बहुत हमदर्दी महसूस हुई साहब। बच्ची वो रोता भी लगता, हमारे पास आया, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, पर्स वगैरह मेरे लुट गए, बीवी भी गुम हो गई और बच्ची खत्म हो गई, पैसे नहीं थे उस पर। मैंने कहा आप तो उसको लेके जाओ, हम दे रहे किराया। हमने सबने मिलके, जिस पर जैसा कुली भाइयों पर सहयोग हुआ, सब ने दिया उसको।
तो सारे कुली भाई उस समय यहाँ पे मौजूद थे, आप लोग जैसे खड़े रहते हैं, सबके सब देख रहे थे, और वो बच्ची को लेके आए।
वो और सबने हमदर्दी जचा के उसको किराया दे के और उसको हॉस्पिटल भेज दिया टेम्पो में रख के।
उस समय एम्बुलेंसेस दिख रही थी यहाँ पे, आप आई थी?
एम्बुलेंस थी सर, हाँ 2-3 एम्बुलेंस आई थी। 9:15 बजे के आसपास की घटना है। जो कुली भाई हमारे अंदर सामान लेके गए थे तब उनको पता लगा, अब एकदम भगदड़ मची हुई थी। कुलियों ने आके बाहर के कुलियों को मैसेज दिया तो उन्होंने सारा काम काज छोड़कर और इस भगदड़ में जितना भी सहयोग बना और अपनी जान जोखिम में डालकर सारे पैसेंजरों को मतलब अलग अलग डिवाइडर के होके
क्योंकि आप लोग इस जगह को बखूबी जानते हैं, आपको पता है।
जी सर सारे रास्ते जितने भी रास्ते थे उन रास्तों से पैसेंजरों को निकाला और सारे कुलियों ने एक यूनिट की तरह हाथ से हाथ बांधकर रास्ते को ब्लॉक किया, हर जगह के रास्ते को ब्लॉक किया और एक एक लाइन से पैसेंजरों को भी निकाला और जितने भी लाशें गिरी या गंभीर रूप से जो भी लोग पड़े हुए थे उनको स्ट्रेचर पर लाके एम्बुलेंस में।
जब एम्बुलेंस नहीं मिली तो आप लोग ने अपने पैसे दिए ताकि?
पैसे दे के हमने ऑटो भी और कार भी करवाई है, भेजे हैं पैसेंजर ऑटो टैक्सी।
Sometimes incidents that make you lose faith in administration restore your faith in humanity. Time for us to take a quick break.